Bailey. We're teaching Bailey to bring the stone back rather than hold on to it. Bailey, leave. Leave. Good boy. And I'll tell you what, just after a few days of simple training, he's starting to bring it back. Whereas he would normally bring it back and crunch it up. So, good boy. Good boy, Bailey. He's worked out that if he brings it back, leave it, leave. After, well, most times, Bailey, most times he brings it back. Leave it. Look at that face. It's my stone. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Oh, on first occasion I film and he doesn't leave it. Come on. He's seen that woman down there, look. That beautiful woman running on the beach. Can't really see her actually. I'll see if I can zoom in. It's a bit far away. I don't know if you can see her or not. Probably these screens on these cameras are terrible. Anyway, now he's going to dig for it. So, the first choice I get to film and bringing it back, he doesn't bring it back. Leave, Bailey. Oh well. Persevere, leave. Is it because you're on the camera? Leave, leave, leave. Good boy. Alright, we'll try again. Okay, ready? You're going to throw it and you're going to bring it back. And go! Now hopefully he can bring it back. Bailey, come on. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy, you gonna drop it for me? He says, oh my fuck. Leave it. Leave. Yeah, good boy. You got to bring your dogs for a burnout. I mean, you can't have them cooped up all day. You know, at least 2 walks a day for your dog and exercise for yourself. It's got to be. Come on. And who wouldn't want a gorgeous day like this? Here we are. Gonna leave it. Gonna leave it. Leave. 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 You're gonna leave it. Good boy. See? I just wish you could chase a ball. That'd be a lot better. But oh, that wasn't a very good throw. And there we go. So there we go. Good boy. I mean, what do I sound like? Good boy. Beautiful boy. Beautiful. Sit. Bailey, leave. Leave. It's going to be a long vlog this is. Bailey, leave. I'm not having my stone. Bailey, come here. Leave. Now, you see, this dog is, everybody's saying German Shepherd. It's not. It's German Shepherd Akita. And unfortunately, that's where you get the aggression side from the Akita side, which, you know, is not brilliant for some certain situations. So, Bailey, you're going to leave it. Good boy. Leave. Bailey, sit. Sit. Look at that. And if you're wondering why he sits to the side like that, it's because he broke his leg and it's comfortable for him like that because he gets rheumatism, arthritis. Look, he's a beautiful boy.